Welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to be making homemade chocolates. We are going to be making the white chocolate and brown chocolate. So sit back and let's go. So this is 56 grams of melted margarine. Just measure it and melt it over boiling water. This is 2 tablespoons of icing sugar or confectioner sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. And then this is the mold we shall be using. It's a mold for chocolates making, okay? And then we'll be putting a 1/4 teaspoon of any flavor of your choice, okay? So now I'm just going to be sieving this into my... It's a very simple process. There's no too much ado, okay? So I'm just going to be putting my strawberry flavor because it's clear and we are making white chocolate, so and you just whisk away now. So because of the margarine, it has a small it looks kind of yellow, but it doesn't matter. Chocolate is not completely white. White chocolate is not completely white. Okay, so so make sure you stir it until it's completely mixed. So now I'll be pouring in so I'll just be heating it on my table. Okay, this will help it sit properly. Okay, so put this into your freezer for about 1 to 2 hours and let it solidify. All right, so our chocolate is out of the freezer. It's stuck to my freezer where I put it, and so in the process of trying to bring it out, I broke it in 2. But let's see. So this is like like 30 minutes later. So this is our chocolate. Ready to be used. Okay, so this is 56 grams of melted margarine. And then in here I have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar, and then we are going to be adding a dash of flavor of our choice. Okay, so now I'm going to be pouring this using my sieve to sieve both of these ingredients. Flavor, but because I'm using margarine and there's already some salt in the margarine, I'm not going to be adding any more salt. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, so this flavor is very intense, so I'm just putting a few drops. So you mix it thoroughly. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it over my okay, so I'm going to make sure that our chocolate has entered the mold very well. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to be popping it into my freezer for 1 hour, and then I'll pop it out again. Hey, all right people, my chocolate is out of the freezer. Unfortunately, it cracked a bit. My children don't allow me to do my things in peace, so I'm going to be pulling it out now. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like what we are doing here, please look below and press on the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about sugar craft, cake decoration. Can you see this? Oh, this is so beautiful. My son can't wait to dig into this chocolates. So back to what I was saying, we are all about cake decoration, fondant, buttercream, wafer paper art. I love wafer paper class and wafer paper arts. I love to make wafer paper arts, wafer paper flowers. Have you watched any of my videos? If you haven't, then please look in the playlist and you will get to my wafer paper flower playlist. I have a couple of videos that I teach people online too. If you want more of that, then hook me up. Oh, it's broken. Oh, but all the same, this is our chocolate. Absolutely delightful. My son broke it. Oh. Okay, you get the drift though. So this is my chocolate. Let me break it. See how hard it is and how solid it is. I hope you try it. I hope you give me your feedback. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section, waiting for you to give me your feedback on this chocolate. I'll be expecting to see your pictures too, how you use them on your flowers. Thank you so much for watching.